Well, every Tuesday, traffic expert Jason Luber listens to you about a topic that is driving you crazy.
Yeah, if you have a question for Jason, you can scan the QR code on your screen. Jason, this week a viewer has a question about lights in construction zones.
Yeah, and I've had the same kind of question when I've been driving through the construction zones. You've seen those cars in there? Well, anyway, it was Jordan from Arvada who wrote to me saying, what's driving you crazy more often in construction zones, I'm seeing cars with red and blue flashing lights. They look like police cars just without the markings. Today, I saw one of these cars with Montana plates. I assume they want the appearance of police presence to ensure safety, but it feels to me that this is a misrepresentation of authority. What are the laws regulating the use of red and blue emergency lights? Well, red and blue overhead lights are specifically designed to increase visibility for emergency vehicles like police cars, ambulances, fire trucks. The Colorado State Patrol told me Colorado law is pretty clear about this, saying it's illegal for vehicles that are not law enforcement to have red and blue lights. So when I saw a white sedan with red and blue lights that had Montana license plates, just like that guy, in a work zone in Castle Pines, I made some calls. Elite Surface Infrastructure, that's the company that was hiring that one car, they told me that the sedan was provided to them by Denver Metro Security. That's a security company they contract with to provide safety at construction zones. I called Denver Metro Security and I was told they are allowed to use vehicles with red and blue lights because there is a POST officer in that car. POST stands for Colorado Peace Officer Standards and Training, and it's a certification process required for an individual to serve as a peace officer in Colorado. I was told that POST certification makes a person sitting in those construction cars off-duty police officers, and that allows them to use red and blue lights. I received a similar question from Mark, a viewer who saw red and blue lights like this on a Denver Department of Transportation and Infrastructure vehicle. I was told by the city that they believe their vehicles are considered emergency response vehicles, quote, due to the road work performed during the day and overnight. The city did not clarify to me whether their workers inside those vehicles are POST certified or not. There are significant safety reasons for using these lighted vehicles in construction zones, as studies have shown the lights have a direct result in bringing more visual awareness to drivers and reducing speeds. That's great. But as for the cars with the Montana license plates, I was told it's actually less expensive for Denver Metro Security for them to rent cars from a security company in Montana and outfit it there and send it to Colorado, then rent cars from other states, including here, or use their own cars. This turned actually out to be a pretty big investigation by me, and so I have a ton more details about this story in the online version right now, available on Denver7.com and the Denver 7 app. It actually turned out to be very interesting.
Wow.
I feel like you could write a book about this.
You know, I pretty much did.
This is
online.
a rabbit hole right here.
I pretty much did. Yeah, no, it was really interesting and really interesting to see what is allowed and what's not.
Yeah, it's a thing that all of us see while
Yes,
we're driving
all
around.
the time.
So that's super interesting. Thanks, Jason.
I guess they're moving slower through those zones. That's
And
one positive,
that's
no
the one
matter what.
positive.
Yeah.